Hey guys, we're on the way to South America for the Crypto World Tour, and I said, you know what, I have to make a stop in Miami.
Todo estoy. You know my love is global, all across the mundo.
Hey guys, just landed. I'm about to connect with some influencers.
Well,
how you doing? Trying to go from vertical to horizontal. Today's gonna be kind of a random industry in terms of dating, but hey guys, find your crypto girlfriend, boyfriend, hey, could happen. So we hit the ground in Miami, and Drew used to work with RSD, known as Real Social Dynamics. He was working with them on some music stuff.
Last time I saw this guy was Vegas.
So you made like a song about crypto?
Madison's a good friend of mine, a super successful dating coach, but he's also very business oriented, and it was a good connection I wanted to make for Ian.
I studied like Federal Reserves, I studied like just everything, stock markets, and then when crypto came along, got to the crypto and all currencies. I'm really fascinated by it because you share your portfolio and most people don't share it.
And he's also into crypto as well, so that's pretty cool. Being able to kind of show my perspective of crypto and hear his perspective.
Okay, crypto advice. Should I hold Ethereum and Bitcoin, or should I play with some alts like V and Ripple?
In investing, I can't give you advice personally, but I'll tell you what I would do.
Yeah.
Right? I would hold Ether and not Ripple, not V. Mainly play ICOs. Right? So find really good projects that are undervalued.
Yeah.
Right? And there's a lot more ROI potential.
You're right. Look at the team. Look at the team that's behind the project and the people on the project rather than the actual currency.
Having a prototype, some kind of product.
Did you hear that? I don't know if you guys heard that, but you should write that down. That was good. That was good. Actually, let me get that from my snap. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hold Ethereum. Focus on infrastructure.
As you develop yourself in the influencer space, you find that we have things that are more in common than we think.
What advice do you have for people in crypto when it comes to dating?
The same way you got into crypto and you're open to risk and opportunity, what you want to do is avoid people that are in bad situations. That's the 1% worst case scenario. Avoid them at all costs. Look at the upside for every relationship. Boom!
Nice. All right.
I put it in financial terms so that your audience would understand.
You know, we've only been here for a couple hours, and we're already building many big connections, expanding the Main Man brand.
We got Drew. We got Mr. Ian. We got camera guy. What up, camera guy?
And Benito, I'm Miami. That's my Spanish for you.
Todo estoy. Todo estoy. Todo estoy.
Hey, how are you, man? I'm good. It's down to
We do it because of crypto. Let's have a good night.
So me and Nelson used to work at IBM together. Yeah. So he saw me quit IBM, and he's seen my journey from day one, right? So me and him basically were both entrepreneurs at heart, working in the corporate world, and he ended up quitting, and that was pretty cool. And seeing how he's now finally into cryptocurrency investing, and just kind of sharing stories over dinner and wine and steaks was a very, very great experience here in Miami.
I should have jumped.
I told you, man, but you were just there like hesitating. You're just not moving. It's crypto family. Everywhere we go, we meet lots of cool people. Interesting story. I met Eugene at my meetup in Phuket, Thailand. We stayed in touch. Now we're doing business together. So during dinner, I had a chance to walk over and talk to Eugene, him and Alexander. Right, they're here in Miami on vacation, and Eugene and his team is actually currently developing my token. Yes, guys, I will be making a token. I'll be airdropping this as a way to reward my community who's been there with me since the beginning. You guys have been asking for the longest time, since last year. So thank you guys for all the support. I told you guys I'll take you to the moon, and guys, we're going to the moon. And these guys already have built the prototype. The token works. Just have to build the spreadsheet app to add some more functional utility. Just want to make sure everything is set and is done properly. And thank you guys for everything. If you guys need anything, always let me know. You know?
Hey, welcome to Miami.
Thank you.
You're going to Colombia after Miami, right?
Yeah, Colombia after this.
Yeah. Mark it up. Mark it down.
The city of eternal spring, here we come.
This is Huddle Girl here in Medellin, Colombia, about to interview the Michael Jordan of crypto.
Oh man, we're on the way to the moon, guys. And then Buenos Aires, Argentina. Right, this is a very, very big project. I'm glad to be here.
I got it, man. Mark it up.
And then Europe. 3 months going city to city, country to country. We're working out with an all-stars.
I got it, man. Yeah.
Make sure we don't get distracted from your longer term goal.
Yeah, it's a world tour, man. It's a world tour.
Say what you see, I got no indicator. Load up your team with the dopest of players. One more review, say no, see you later. And that's how my growth is so major. Yeah. It's 100x on my lifestyle. Moon landing satellite style. Crew dancing cause the new fans made 102 grand for my insights. Wow. Still do your research. Learn how it feel to be first. Cause the world's are turning into church. Yeah. Learn a sermon every